What you doing? Come here.
I am playing outside.
You are? Well, what are you doing outside, though? Weren't you working on a project?
No.
You don't want to tell me what you were doing with the shovel?
I was making a path.
A path? Out in the backyard, all the way to the trees?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want to get a bunny.
You making paths for the bunny?
Yes. So I can catch one.
You think it's going to work?
Yes.
It's pretty cold out there, isn't it?
Do we have carrots?
We might, but that doesn't work.
No, they love carrots.
They do?
Yes.
Well, we'll have to see. So you got out of school early today because of snow, right?
Yes. And I got out extra early.
I know.
Extra.
All right, well, why don't you go enjoy the snow? Or come in. Either or.
Well,
turn it off? Okay, come here. I'll turn it off.
okay.
All right, say cut.
Cut.